love.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's giveaway time. I thought it would be a perfect way to celebrate us hitting 2,000 subscribers. The prize you all voted for was a CashApp or a Zelle, so I got you covered. But before we talk about the moolah, the shmoney, just kidding. Before I announce the winner, I want to take a moment to just thank each and every one of you for subscribing and supporting my channel. This milestone means so much to me. And when I first started YouTube, I didn't know much about it. So if you've been with me since my day one, you know, my early videos, back when I only had about 1 to 9 subscribers, you know how far this channel has come. So I'm forever grateful for every single one of my subscribers and channel members. If you haven't already joined my channel membership yet, now is the perfect time, y'all. There's perks for you to enjoy, plus member-only lives where I share openly about the hair issues I've overcome. Becoming a member also helps me continue to create content. So, link in the description. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the announcement of the winner. Okay, drum roll please. And the winner is Poetic Tears. Congratulations. You are the winner for our 2K subscribers celebration. Go Poetic Tears. Go Poetic Tears. Go, go, go Poetic Tears. Hey, hey. I am so happy that you are the winner. Congratulations. Now, just to shout out Poetic Tears, please check her out. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel. She creates awesome, inspiring content and loves encouraging other content creators. So she's like a true cheerleader for us, y'all. It's always a good time over on her channel. So check her out. Go watch her playlist, support her work, and show some love. I guarantee you, if you are a content creator, she's going to return the same to you. So, one last thing I want to say is, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, do it. Why not? You have a message, a talent, or a story that can help and inspire others. If I can do it, so can you. And to all of my fellow content creators, my fellow YouTube sisters and brothers, keep going. Don't give up. The best is yet to come.
Swan Melange shares the light. Healthy hair tip shining bright. Affirmations make it right. Guiding beauties day and night. Self-love blooms like a rose. Positivity overflows. Worth is more than skin deep. Mind and soul in harmony keep. Healthy hair and healthy mind. Body, soul all intertwined. Know your worth and take the lead. Shine so bright you plant the seed.